This video will show the proper way to install a Salvajor 7250 adapter. Note, a flathead screwdriver, a 7/16" deep well socket, and a ratchet will be needed to tighten the adapter hardware and disposer clamp. Place the top flange with studs through the sink or cone opening. Note, if the opening is smaller than the location of the stud bolts on the top flange, then holes will need to be drilled for them to insert into. With the gasket in place, slide the bottom flange over the stud bolts that protrude through the bottom of sink or cone. Now place washers over the studs and tighten the nuts to secure the flanges together firmly. To attach the disposer to the adapter, slip the disposer's high car adapter over the adapter and tighten the top clamp on the disposer. For additional questions, contact Salvajor Service Department. For notifications on new content, please like and subscribe. Thank you for choosing Salvajor.